On September 8, 2025, several notable Ohio government actions occurred across legislation, enforcement, and public awareness domains. 1. Legislative activities. Ohio Senate Bill 256 was introduced on this date, although specific provisions of the bill are not detailed in the available information. 4. GOP State Representative Al Cutrona introduced legislation aiming to ban the declawing of cats in Ohio. He cited animal welfare concerns, urging the prohibition of a practice that veterinarians warn can cause chronic pain, behavioral problems, and impair natural feline activities. Declawing is already banned in other states such as Maryland and Massachusetts. 2. Enforcement actions. No discrete enforcement actions were reported specifically on September 8, 2025. However, ongoing litigation related to sports and consumer protection was noted earlier in the week, such as Dennis Kucinich's lawsuit over the Cleveland Browns stadium move and Attorney General Dave Yost's appeal in a market fairness case against Google. 3. Public events. Ohio officially recognized September 8 as 988 Day, a national event promoting mental health and crisis support awareness. The Ohio Mental Health and Addiction Services Department marked the day, emphasizing the importance of the 988 hotline as a resource for crisis intervention. 2. Governor Mike DeWine publicly advocated for increased funding and stronger tobacco control policies on this day. He proposed raising tobacco taxes by $1.50 per tack and increasing tobacco prevention and cessation program funding to $10 million annually through the Ohio Department of Health. This aligns with broader public health efforts to reduce tobacco-related disease, including cancer. 3. Key officials involved include Governor Mike DeWine promoting public health and tobacco control funding, State Representative Al Cutrona sponsoring animal welfare legislation, and Ohio's Attorney General Dave Yost continuing legal efforts for consumer fairness outside the reference state. Agencies involved are the Ohio Department of Health, Ohio Mental Health and Addiction Services, and the Ohio General Assembly. In summary, September 8, 2025, saw new legislative initiatives, SB 256 and an anti-declawing bill, state recognition of a Mental Health Crisis Awareness Day, and Governor DeWine's policy push on tobacco harm reduction. No specific enforcement actions were logged for that day, but active legal challenges from earlier days remain notable in the broader government action context.